Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by warming the Bajaj engine for 3 to 5 minutes so oil thins and drains fully. Once done, park on the center stand on level ground and switch the engine off. Make sure the bike is stable. Put on gloves and position a drain pan under the sump plug. Use the correct wrench to loosen the plug slowly to avoid splashing, and listen for the first steady drip. That tells you oil is leaving the crankcase properly. Once the oil level drops to a slow drip, remove the drain plug completely and allow 5 to 10 minutes for the majority of oil to run out. This ensures contaminants exit with it. Next, remove the oil filter or cartridge per your model instructions. You clean the mating surface and let trapped oil drain too. While parts drain, check the plug magnet for metal filings and the oil color for contamination. These clues explain where and whether further inspection is needed. You install a fresh oil filter and tighten the drain plug to the specified torque, replacing the crush washer if applicable to prevent leaks. Then refill with the specified oil grade to the recommended quantity, start the engine briefly for 30 to 60 seconds to circulate oil, and recheck the level when it settles. If you see leaks or oil pressure warning, stop. Make sure seals and filter are seated correctly, confirm plug torque, and verify you use the correct oil grade.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.